Guys, it's SoFlo Josh, and we're here at South Dade Toyota to film this 2025 Toyota Tundra SR5 with the TRD Rally Package for y'all. With that being said, I want to give a huge shout out to South Dade Toyota. Make sure to go ahead and contact Leo. He would be able to assist you into getting to model. So let's go ahead and get underneath the hood. So underneath the hood is a 3.4 liter twin turbocharged V6 that produces 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, linked to a 10-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels. So the styling of the 2025 Tundra has actually not changed whatsoever for the model year, which I actually expected them were going to do, but the overall design looks really nice. I love the way the hood design is. It's very aggressive in your face. The front grille design is really nice with the Toyota Tundra inscribed right there down the middle. We got fog lights, full LED headlights, as well as an incandescent bulb here for your turn signal, which I wish they would actually put something a little bit different. On the side profile wise, love the front fenders as well as the rear section over here for the bed section. I love the design of it. The Tundra has always been a really nicely designed truck ever since this new generation has come out. Let's get to the rear of this model. This model does come with a power tailgate, so even though it is the SR5 model, we do see a power tailgate over here. Nice, really bed liner over here. It's a spray-in bed liner. We got LED lights as well, and then we have a 120 volt outlet right over here off to the side. And if you go ahead and tilt this forward like that, it will automatically close. We got your tow hook areas, the prongs to put in. You got your 7-pin and your 3-pin connector with your tow hitch at the rear. Now, this is the TRD Rally Package, so this is going to have some distinct design elements to it. Now, most people have been noticing is that it's a sticker package, but it's actually more than that. So we get the tricolor design over here with the red, orange, and the yellow. Underneath there is actually a skid plate, so whenever you are off-roading this vehicle or taking it into harsh conditions, just know that underside is actually going to be protected. We do get unique designed wheels over here with that Toyota inscribed heritage look with the 3 sticker design. And then behind that, we do have Bilstein front shocks. We also get Bilstein shocks at the rear, tricolor off to the side as well. And then we get these TRD black exhaust tips over here at the rear, which are really nice, especially for that V6 that's underneath the hood. But the overall changes that they've done for the Rally Edition, most people have just seen it as a sticker package. No, it's actually more than that. And then you'll see that when we get into the interior over here, soft padding up here in the top part with the orange stitching, as well as this bottom section. And then the seats actually have the tricolor design perforated into the backrest over here in the front seats. Nice soft, and it is a fully power seat as well with your lumbar control and a 2-way. But overall, it looks really nice. And here to the rear is also nice. We got soft padding over here, same exact stitching, and then we get the tricolors inside of the back seat section. But let's get in here, let's see how it feels back here. Overall, legroom space feels really good for a 6-foot tall person. That's exactly where I would sit. Headroom wise, really nice. I have a ton of headroom. No, panoramic sunroof or sunroof to be added. We get rear vents, your cup holders, little slot for your phone, and we got 2 USBs back here. One's USB-C, one's USB, and then 120 volt outlet right there, which is very nice. And then sitting at the front section, it's super easy to get in, by the way. We have a nicely designed front section. We do have analog gauges for this model, but we get the large 14-inch touchscreen display over here that looks good. We got the TRD shifter right here with the red, which is actually from the TRD Pro model. We got TRD over here for the start button in red, TRD here, and we get the tricolors over here on the passenger side. So all in all, it's a very nice package. It's more than just a sticker package, I'll tell you that for sure. But overall, really nice. Large cup holders. We got some sections here we can put your phones. You do have all your switch for your climate control up here, and then some hard buttons for your rear locking differential. Over here we have the 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low button right there, and you have your drive modes, tow haul, DAC, crawl control, and your MTS. Here we have a ton of space into this rear section right here, which is really good because if you add this into here, as you see, you can actually fit a 32-ounce bottle water right there. Even though you can technically fit it there, you can actually fit another one there, 2 USBs, and then coin slot holders. We have a heated steering wheel right here, heated front seats for this model. All in all, it's a really great package vehicle. So let's go ahead and take this puppy out for a drive. All right, so let's take this model out for a drive. Putting it into drive is very straightforward. I love the shifter. Over here to the side, we have the shift it yourself style finish, and let's take it out on the road. So I've always been a fan of the Tundra, especially for this generation. I know a lot of people love the last generation because it has the V8 underneath the hood, but the styling wise, this one I prefer more than the previous generation. And so far it's actually a really nicely packaged vehicle. The overall design looks great in the interior. I love the fact that we have a large 14-inch touchscreen display in this model. It's just a very nice vehicle. I've driven the Sequoia. I love the Sequoia and how it rode, especially for that Platinum model. But this is an SR5, so you're technically at the bottom when it comes to trim levels, but you're not really, you know, like getting that basic kind of design all in all when it comes to like you know, packaging wise, because since this is the TRD Rally Package model, it adds a lot of favorable features into a model for a lesser price, which is actually pretty nice. So driving it in normal, like, you know, you're gonna be daily driving, is actually very nice. I love this center console area because I could just put my hand over it and lay it there and have it on the shifter, which I typically like. The 9-3 grip over here feel fantastic. Let's go ahead and put it into sport mode really quick, and let's gun it a little bit. Yeah, it picks up and go. That 10-speed automatic transmission is actually very, very nice. When I first drove the Sequoia with that 10-speed automatic transmission, I actually said to myself that, you know, it was probably one of the best transmissions, as in 10-speed wise, that it felt where it matched perfectly with the engine, and that's what it feels with this model. Even though this isn't the hybrid max version of the 3.4 twin turbo, it's actually a really, really nicely pepped up vehicle. You know, that turbocharged spews up from a lower RPM, which is something you never expect from a twin turbocharged engine, especially in the past. Now with technology and how it's actually changed, it's been a lot better and all. So I think that the overall driving dynamics of this vehicle, especially with the Bilstein shocks that's on this model, it's gonna ride even better. I feel like it's not as intrusive, you know, it doesn't feel as heavy as some of the other models feel like whenever you're driving it. Yes, it's gonna have some body roll whenever you turn it into a corner. It is a large truck, it's a heavy truck to begin with, but all in all, I'm very, very impressed with the driving dynamics. Now, I know a lot of people, like I said, have been, you know, hating on this vehicle, and I know that the very beginning model years, its first 2 model years, the V6 had issues, but Toyota has completely eliminated that from the I think it was 2024 and upward. So if you're 2024 and upward model years, you're actually good for your engine. Your engine's gonna be perfectly fine. But nonetheless, this is a really great vehicle. Guys and girls, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think about this model. Do you think that it's a sticker package vehicle, or do you think it's just something more than that? I would love to know that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.